He's leaving us. So it's just us now. Hi, we are Denise and... Well, actually, it's just me this week. And Bella and Rita, of course. That's right, I'm solo van lifing it once again. And this week, I have a big decision to make. I don't really know what to do with myself now that he's gone. I only hope that I make the right one. Okay, we're gonna be okay. We've got this. We can do this. Well, I love you so much.
I love you too.
Alright, bye. I just dropped Reed off at the airport. He's gonna be gone for maybe a week, maybe less, maybe 2 weeks. He booked a one-way ticket back to Atlanta because his family is having an emergency. We decided about an hour and a half ago that he was gonna just get on a flight. So I'm kind of reeling, and I know he is too, but we just thought it would be necessary for him to do what he needed to do, and I would love to be there with him, but because we have Bella and Rita, it just complicated some things, as well as where would we leave the van. It just wasn't in the cards, so I'm back here in Bend. I'm trying to figure out what the best move is for me, but it's gonna be okay. I just need to get Reed on that flight. That was the most important thing, was to get him on that flight. Don't make decisions hangry. I am so hungry, and I don't know where I should be going right now, but I know not to make the decision while hungry. Always toast your tortillas. Rule number 1. It's so weird being without Reed, especially under these circumstances. This was not how we thought our week was gonna go. Cooking often makes me feel better, but I don't feel very good right now. A lot of our friends are leaving the area this week, and we thought we were gonna go with them and go on some adventures and some hikes together. And I'm just questioning whether I should go. I don't know if I should just stay here and wait it out. I think I'm just gonna sleep on it tonight and think about what I should do. Everyone leaves tomorrow. Hopefully in the morning when I talk to you next, I know what my plan is. See you then. What are you making?
I'm just gonna make like pears and maple syrup with cinnamon, and then I roasted some bananas.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
For on top of our pancakes, and I'm gonna make pumpkin spice lattes.
You're amazing.
Yeah.
What do you think, Bodie? We capped off our last morning in Bend by making a potluck breakfast.
Breakfast potatoes. Community breakfast. Best kind of breakfast.
What are you making?
I'm making some pancakes, but only for the vegans because I'm not gonna have enough.
Oh,
so Michael's gonna make some non-vegan pancakes.
Perfect.
These bad boys ain't got no milk in it.
This is our pumpkin bread.
How long did it take to make?
Like 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
But it'll be worth it.
So worth it. Perfect way to spend our last day together. I only wish Reed could be here because I know how much he'd love this. Sorry, Reed, I'd save some of this pumpkin bread for you, but I don't know when you'll be back. Good food with good people.
It is. I might still swing it by there.
And before we left the spot that we have called home for the last month, we made a time capsule, post-dated for the summer of 2023.
This is what I'm putting in the time capsule. Because we're all homeless, and we all have heart-to-hearts with each other. That's kind of cheesy, but I like it.
The time capsule.
All our notes. Is that going in the time capsule?
This is going in the time capsule.
Si's favorite stick.
Time to pack up. We're heading out of here.
It's like Space Jam.
To all our beautiful memories and all the new memories to come. Yay!
Bye, Phils. Thanks for the memories. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Good ending, guys.
And just like that, it was time to leave.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Goodbye, Phil. I don't know who Phil is, but goodbye, Phil's Trailhead. Until next time. We're coming back next year. I really hope so. Now leaving this area that we've been in for so long is so bittersweet. I think we're driving into a fire. It is so smoky out. I realized that I haven't really updated you. I have decided to continue to travel with a few of the people that we have been camped up with over the last month or so. I know that I told you all that I was debating whether I was going to do it or not, and I felt and still kind of feel guilty for moving on from that place without Reed. But I talked to him, I talked to my dad, and I've talked to some of the people we're with, and they all have said that it's probably better for us all to stay together and for me to stay with the group, not only for my own mental health and safety, but also Reed said that it would ease his mind if he knows that I'm with people, and there isn't a lot left in Bend now that everyone's left. This past month has shown me that I really did need a support system. I did need community. It's harder for me to just let people take care of me. That's what I'm doing now. I'm letting these people support me and help me. We have heard good news. Nothing is drastic right now on Reed's end. Everything's going all right. I'll let him explain to you what happened at another time if he wants to. Right now, everything's okay where he is, and so we're gonna keep going with these people. I'm not sure how long we're all gonna be traveling together, but for now, we're all together, and that's what matters. And I feel good about it. Have you ever played spoons? Well, the next morning we all played a highly competitive game of spoons with high stakes. Loser of spoons has to eat the spoon.
Looks like it tastes like pie.
You got some carbs. You
Gotta chew it.
Good, actually.
It's not bad. What?
Y'all are missing out. We had a nice snack. Then we went on an epic hike with an amazing payoff. Do you see that person on the ledge? Yeah, that's Michael. I even jumped into the frigid water with Anouk and Katerina. And it was at that moment I knew that I had messed up. The water was unbelievably cold. And the moment that my skin hit the water, I knew that I had to get out. But I'm so glad I did it anyway. So Anouk just left. The group is getting smaller and smaller by the day. A bunch of people left yesterday. Emma, Madison, Brian, and also Crystal and Sean all left yesterday. And then Anouk just left. but luckily we're meeting her on the coast this weekend. But the group is getting smaller and smaller, and we're making breakfast right now after the most relaxing morning at the hot springs. We got up at 6 this morning, left our camp around 6:30, and got to the hot spring, and there was only one other couple at the hot spring. It was just an amazing time. We had coffee at the hot spring. We just all sat and enjoyed the amazing view. We're thinking we're gonna head to Crater Lake today. I don't really know, we're just going with the flow, but it's just been really great to be with people as Reed is updating me on his family and what's going on there. And I think it would have been really hard to just be alone right now. So I'm really glad that I made the decision to come with everyone. It's just a good group of people to be with right now. We're gonna have breakfast. They made French toast and I made a tofu scramble, and it's gonna be so good. All right.
I had a really great time here, and I'm really gonna miss everybody.
We're gonna miss you too, bud.
I really enjoyed eating everybody's poop, and I loved all the pets I got every morning. Thank you for welcoming me into your bed.